In this video, one of the main secrets of eye exercises, and especially is relevant and vital for people with some kind of severe cases in which it's impossible to do exercises for the eyes, retinal detachment or just had surgery or inflammation. Well, they cannot do exercises for the eyes or for some time, and this is especially important for them. This secret is in ideomotor exercises. What are ideomotor eye exercises? Ideomotor movement, an idea of some kind of movement. I will explain a little. For example, for a boxer to gain just one punch, he must to make 10,000 movements for this movement to become habitual and automatic. If the boxer did it wrong, without the guidance of a more experienced mentor, he will make these 10,000 movements, then he will remember the wrong move, and then it's difficult to retrain. It will be very difficult to get it correctly. Not is it strong enough, or not reactive enough, or some other incorrect characteristics. To avoid such mistakes, in the practice of improving and restoring vision, you can use imaginary movements. You can do it now. Let's make a circle first. Make a circle with your eyes in one direction and a circle in the other. Now with your eyes, a circle like this. Notice that the circle of your eyes is uneven, with some deflections, with some slips, somewhere you were normally doing, somewhere skipped a section, and so on. Maybe you didn't pay attention to it. You can make a circle in one direction and also make a circle with your eyes in the other direction. Why these slips and bumps? Everything is very simple. Some muscles of the eyes are spasmodic and they do not allow you to make a clear movement. In the place where they are spasmodic and do not allow you to make a clear, precise movement, they either make a slip or make an unevenness or something else. How to do ideomotor eye exercises correctly? They are simple exercises for ideomotor skills. You close your eyes and in your imagination do not move your eyes but under closed eyelids, but very clearly imagine as if you are making a circle, but your task is to make a perfect circle. You can make a perfect circle in your imagination. It's not difficult. And you will understand that some even in the imagination make an uneven circle because they make precisely the same as they do with their eyes. But in your imagination you don't have muscle limitation. Knowing this, you can make a perfect circle. Close your eyes and do a perfect circle. Don't rush and just make a perfect circle without moving your eyes under your eyelids. You imagine as if the eyes are moving and if they are making a perfect circle. Make such a circle 3 times and each time they will get more precise and better. Then make such a circle in the opposite direction. It will also turn out clearer and better. Strive to do this circle perfectly even and beautiful, and it can be made very small or you can make it bigger. You can make it large. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.